I want you to answer a question. Had you ever had the feeling of déjà vu? That strange, haunting sensation that you have been here before? That you have had this exact conversation, in this exact room, at this exact time? Usually, we dismiss this as a glitch in the brain, a misfiring neuron. But there is a theory in physics and philosophy that suggests déjà vu is not a glitch. It is a memory. It suggests that you are not living this life for the first time. You have lived it an infinite number of times before, and you will live it an infinite number of times again. This is the theory of the eternal return. To understand this, we don't need magic. We just need to look at a deck of cards. Imagine you have a standard deck of 52 cards. If you shuffle the deck, you get a random order. If you shuffle it again, you get a different order. But if you shuffle the deck a billion times, eventually, mathematically, the cards will repeat a sequence. If you shuffle the deck for an infinite amount of time, every single possible combination of cards will happen. And not just once. They will happen an infinite number of times. Now, apply this logic to the universe. Our universe is just a very large box containing a finite number of atoms. These atoms are the cards, and time is the shuffler. Right now, your atoms are arranged in a very specific way to create you. They're arranged to create your brain, your eyes, and the screen you are looking at. Eventually, you will die. Your atoms will scatter. The sun will explode. The universe will go dark. But if time is infinite and matter cannot be destroyed, then the shuffler keeps shuffling. The atoms will drift through the void for trillions of eons. But eventually, by pure chance, they will bump into each other again. It might take a googolplex years. A number so big that if you wrote a 0 on every particle in the universe, you wouldn't have enough space to write it. But in infinity, time is free. Eventually, the atoms must accidentally arrange themselves into the exact same shape they are in right now. They will form the same Earth. They will form the same you. They will form the same video you're watching. And you will be born again. You will grow up in the same house. You will make the same friends. You will make the same mistakes. You will feel the same pain. And you will have the same happy moments. This concept terrified the philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche. He called it the heaviest burden. Imagine a demon crept into your room tonight and whispered to you, "This life, as you now live it and have lived it, you will have to live once more and innumerable times more. There will be nothing new in it, but every pain and every joy and every thought and sigh must return to you, all in the same succession and sequence." Would you throw yourself down and gnash your teeth? Or would you accept it? This changes how we look at death. We are afraid of the end. We are afraid of the black void. But the eternal return suggests there is no end. There is only a massive cosmic loop. The Big Bang happens. The universe expands. The universe dies. And then gravity pulls it all back together for another Big Bang. The cycle restarts. The tape rewinds. This implies that we are trapped. If your life is hard right now, the idea of repeating it forever sounds like a prison. But there is another way to look at it. If you knew that you had to live this exact day over and over again for eternity, how would you treat it? Would you be kinder? Would you be braver? Would you appreciate the sunset a little bit more? Because if this theory is true, you aren't just living for today. You are painting a painting that you will have to look at forever. Physics is still debating if this is true. It depends on whether the universe will expand forever or collapse back in on itself. If the big crunch happens, then the eternal return is guaranteed. The universe breathes out and it breathes in. You are not a temporary event. You are a permanent structure in reality. So, the next time you get that feeling of déjà vu, don't ignore it. It might be your past self from 1 trillion years ago trying to tell you that you are right on schedule. I am your host. I will see you in the next cycle. Subscribe.